Hi, welcome to Supertek. Today we are going to be looking at the equipment heating mantle. Supertek Heating Mantles offers uniform heat to various glassware vessels such as flasks, by placing them directly on the heating element without substantially increasing the risk of glass shattering. Let's see the complete range of laboratory heating mantle offered by Supertek. The heating element is flexible, insulated and anchored securely in glass fabric. Temperature range of this heating mantle lies between room temperature to 350 degrees Celsius. It includes heating mantle main unit and boss head, a main lead given to connect the equipment with the main power supply, a thermometer holding clamp, and a support rod also provided with the product. A warranty card, conformance certificate, instruction manual is also provided with the main unit. These heating mantles are made of rolled aluminum body. The temperature of heating element is controlled through energy regulator and can go up to 350 degrees Celsius. Overload protection switch given to protect the equipment against overload conditions. A temperature process indicator given on the front panel. An on and off switch given on the side panel. A support rod clamp is given on the back side. Okay, so now for the installation of laboratory heating mantle, you must first go through the safety instruction warning and cautions very carefully given in the instruction manual. Before start working on heating mantle, it should be placed on flat stable surface. First of all, couple the male-female support rod and place the rod in the support rod clamp given on the back side. Now attach the boss head with the support rod. Now insert the thermometer holding clamp into the boss head. Insert the thermometer into the thermometer holding clamp. Before plug in the unit to main supply, select the proper power outlet having proper capacities of amperage and voltage. Connect the main power cord to the unit. Plug the power cord to the main supply power socket. Now place a round bottom flask filled with the solution into the unit. Now turn on the power switch. Rotate the control knob into clockwise direction to increase the temperature and vice versa. Turn off power switch after the operation. Unplug the unit when the unit is out of use for a week or longer. Thanks for watching.